Hey everyone, and welcome to the club, and welcome to another weekend draw and color series. Today I'll be showing you how to draw a pint-sized Batman. Let's get started in the center of our page with the eyes. So I'm going to move over to the left side and draw an angled line. From the outside, we're just going to draw a straight angled line coming down and in. Now let's leave a large gap in the center and do the same thing on the right. So we're going to line up the inside, angle up and out towards the right. Now from the inside, we're going to draw two short lines going up. So we'll start on the left side, we'll go up, go to the right side and draw that same length line. Now we're going to tuck the eyes in underneath the eyelid, so it's a half oval. So on the end, we just want to step in, draw on the bottom of the oval, and then go back up. Let's do the same thing on the right. Now from here, I want to move all the way up to the top of the head and draw a curve. So directly above the left eye at the top, we're going to curve up in the middle, and then back down on the right side. Now from the end, we're going to step in, draw two angle lines going up and out towards the tip of the ear. From the tip of the ear, we just want to round out the side of the head and then come down towards the jaw. So we'll start on the left side, we're going to curve out. I'm just going to start to pull that in to right about there. Let's go up to the top on the right and do the same thing. Let's close off the bottom of the head. We're going to start on the left side. We're going to curve down towards the chin. Come down, round out the chin, and then go back up on the right side. Now we're going to draw on the edge of the mask. In the center of the face, we're going to start with a point. For this point, I want to angle up and out towards the left, aiming towards the eye. Go back to the center, we'll aim up towards the right eye. Now I'm going to come down at an angle towards the side of the head. Come down to right about here. I want to leave a little gap on the end. Do the same thing on the right side. Now I'm going to come straight down towards the bottom of the head. Let's add in the mouth. So we're going to start on the left side. I just want to curve up and over towards the right. Going up and then across. Now that we completed the head, let's work our way down the body. We're going to start on the left side of the head. At the bottom here, we're going to curve out and then just pull that down towards the bottom of the feet. Let's go over to the right side and do the same. Going out and then coming straight down towards the same height. From the bottom of the feet, we're going to curve down and then up in towards the middle. Starting on the left, we'll curve down. I'm just going to pull that up and we'll work our way over towards the right side. Let's move up about halfway along the body and draw on the side of the belt. So on the left side, we're going to draw a straight line coming across. We're going to step down and draw that same length line. We're going to close this off with a straight line coming down from top to bottom. Now let's take that and flip it over on the right. So we're going to line this up, draw a straight line, come down, lining up the bottom of the line, going across. Now I just want to close off the inside with a straight line. Let's split this in half. Starting from the top on the left, come straight down towards the bottom. Do the same thing on the right. Now let's draw in the center of the belt. From the top corner, I just want to step down, draw a straight line going across towards the right. And then from the bottom, we're going to step up and go straight across. Let's add the belt buckle. Leaving a gap in the center, we draw two straight lines, one on the left and then one on the right. Let's move back down to the bottom in the center. We're going to draw a short line going up. Now from here, I want to curve over towards the left and just below the belt. So we're going to go up and then go across. Go back to the center and do the same thing on the right side. Now let's add in the edge of the boot. From the bottom point, we want to step up, draw an angled line going up and out towards the left. Go back to the center and go up and out towards the right. And I just want to pull this down towards the side of the leg, just above the corner of the foot. Let's go back up and draw in the bat symbol. So in the center, we're going to draw a U shape. And then from the top, we're going to draw a straight line coming down the side. Let's go up towards the top of the wing. Starting on the left, we're going to curve out and then up. And then the same thing on the right side. Now we're going to curve down the side of the wing. Starting from the top on the left, we'll curve out and then down. We'll do the same thing on the right. Now I'm going to draw two curves coming down towards the center point. Starting on the left, we're going to go up and then down. Do the same thing on the right. Now we're going to go up again and pull it down a little bit further in the center. Starting on the left, we'll go up. I'm just going to pull that all the way down just above the belt buckle. Now let's move to the side and draw on the arms. So from the top, on the side of the body, we're going to step out, curve out, round out the hand, and then just pull that in towards the side of the body, right beside the belt. Let's do the same thing on the right. Stepping out, curve out the side of the arm, rounding this out, and then pulling that in. Let's draw on the top edge of the glove going out towards the spike. So up here, we're going to curve across and up. We're going to go past the side of the arm. Let's do the same thing on the right. So let's line this up, going out, and just going past. Now I just want to taper this back in behind the hand. Come down and then in. Now we're going to add one more spike down below. We're going to start with a straight angle line going out. And then we'll curve this down and then in. Now let's draw on the cape. At the bottom of the hand on the left side, we're going to curve out and then down towards the bottom. We'll do the same thing on the right side. Now we're going to curve up and in behind the leg. Starting on the left, we'll go up and then in. We'll do the same thing on the right side. Now let's go in and start coloring this character. I'm going to start with the mask first with a dark blue marker. And then we'll go in and color in the gloves. We'll color in the shorts. And then the boots. Now I'm going to go back in with my black marker, fill in the back and the corners of the cape. Now I'm going to use a skin tone marker to fill in the face. Let's grab a yellow marker and fill in the belt. Now we're going to finish this off with a gray marker and color in the rest of the white areas. And that's pretty much it. There we have it. There's our pint-sized Batman. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.